So after introducing the session, the first thing you need to do is to ask one of the children to draw around one of the other children laying on the floor, so you can get their body shape on the paper. Once one of the children has drawn around another child, you can then rip off the paper and then either put it onto a table or leave it on the floor to carry on the activity. What we've got is this pack of bones and organs that you can pass out and spread between all the children, so you can give each child either one or two of the different bones or organs. You can then take in turns to have each child either guess what bone they're holding, and then they can put it on the body where they think it belongs. When you're putting the bones on the body on the floor, it's quite nice to relate them back to the skeleton that you'll have with you to see if the kids can match the bones to the body on the floor and onto the skeleton. You'll also have a bag of artificial joints, so there's artificial knees, hips and a shoulder, which you can pass around to the children. They can have a feel how the joints move and how heavy they are and where they might fit in the body. Once we've finished putting all the bones on the body, we then move on to the organs. So you can either keep the bones on the body or you can take them off and then hand out to each child the different organs. Once all the organs are then on the body, you can maybe ask all the children what each of the organs does, or as they're putting them on the body, you can give them a short description of what each of the organs does. You'll be presented with a pack of x-rays, so you'll have a load of different x-rays which you can pass out to all the children, let them have a look, see if they can work out where in the body it is. So there's some other ones like this, so you've got like a shoulder joint or you've got a hand, and you can see if they can work out where they are. There's also an elbow. So basically these are just to let the kids have a look, see what they can see. You can ask them if they've ever had any x-rays taken, what it was like, did it hurt, how did it feel, see if they can identify what's on each of the pictures. The second part of the bones and organs activity is to guess how big and how heavy different parts of the body are. So we've got how heavy is your brain. So your brain is roughly 3 pounds, and on the day you'll be provided with 3 pounds worth of fruit and vegetables to represent the weight of the brain. We've got what is the surface area of the skin. For this activity you will be provided with a pack of paper which you can hand out to the children, and then they can lay out different sheets of paper on the floor and guess how big or what sort of area is the area of your skin. And the actual answer is it's 15 sheets of paper laid out on the floor. And then the final part is then how long is your intestines. So you have this string here with 1 metre markers on it, so you can get the children to stand, one at either end holding out the string, and then the other children to stand at how far along they think your intestines are. So your intestines are 6.5 metres long. If there's still time left for your activity, we also have some word searches to do. So if there's time, then you can get the children to start doing the word searches, or if not, then you can give the word searches to the teacher for them to do at a later date.